Hey gang, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I'd take you with me as I go shopping today to pick up my new Balenciaga sneakers. So they came out on hypebeast and it was like, you can sign up at Selfridges for an appointment to get the new track sneakers. I've seen them a lot online and I was like, they're really, really cool. So I've like reserved a pair. We'll see how it goes. The last Balenciaga sneakers I went to get, I had to queue up for hours. But hopefully that won't be like this, so we shall see. My moving video hasn't gone up yet, but this is in my halfway house, hopefully within the next couple of videos. Make sure you turn the bell on for notifications so you can see when I bring out a new video. I also need to take a top man suit to get altered for my friend's wedding at the weekend in Wales, which is exciting. I feel like I feel very pale in this room. So I just got here to Selfridges, but my actual Balenciaga track appointment isn't until 5:30. But Selfridges have invited me down to try out their new optical sunglasses sections. They've got a new like eyewear department. So I'm gonna get a free eye test and then some glasses, so that will be awesome. And then I go to the Balenciaga track appointment after. So I've just had my eye test done here at Selfridges' new eye section, optician section, and I've chosen a pair of Persol sunglasses, which is really exciting. So I just went to see if it had the bag that I want from Dior, but they don't. They only got it in blue. And I don't want it in blue, I want it in black. And just took a little look at Balenciaga stuff, like the collection stuff as well, but again they don't have a t-shirt that I want. Oh well, so I'm going to go down for my appointment now and see how this goes.
Hopefully it's walking early October, mid-October, it's great. Go down, you know that CBS restaurant? Yeah. Take a bite.
Which one you prefer?
Yeah.
Both.
Oh, it looks so cool, yeah.
This color?
Thank you. Wow.
Yeah, take lots of pictures, put on Instagram. Tell your friends, I got it.
Guys, I've just come out of Selfridges and successfully. That woman was so nice, she was so lovely who was selling me the shoes. Got them. Look at the bag as well, it's like Balenciaga on one side, but Selfridges on the other. The white and orange pair, which I really, really like out of all of them. I really like the black pair as well, but like I said, I just don't think that I'll wear black sneakers, so I may as well just get the white and orange, so that's what I did. And when I get home, I'll unbox them for you. I'm going for dinner with my friends now, so I can either unbox them later or tomorrow. But I'll still include that in this video anyway. But yeah, that was the most stress-free sneaker purchase that I've probably ever made. I think everyone should do appointment booking because it's a no-brainer. Hey gang, it's like 8 in the morning. I thought I would just film this before I leave because I've got a really busy day today. But I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up properly yesterday at Balenciaga Selfridges pop-up. I got the new track sneakers in the white and orange colorway. Excuse the state of me. This is like, just rolled out of bed. Just thought I'd do this nice and fresh and raw. Why not? I got them in UK 9 and they fit like a glove, they fit perfectly. I don't think there is as big as hype for these as there was for the Triple S. But as soon as I saw these like on the runway on Instagram, I was like, I really, really like these. Kind of like a shoe encased in another shoe. They're not as heavy as a Triple S, they're not as chunky. They're still pretty chunky and they've got this like massive jut out bit at the back. They're just really, really cool. Yeah, they're like a sneaker that's been encased in another sneaker, and they are more of a like running kind of athletic, technical vibe than the Triple S. The lacing system is really intricate as well. It's got loads of different panels that kind of join onto the front with 2 different coloured laces going through. It actually came with some extra lace things as well. The inner part of the shoe is like a mesh, and then you've got kind of like leather and material straps all the way around, and you've got a big track logo section at the back as well. Sizing that the Triple S originally had, the original Triple S with the 43 at the front. The sole is absolutely huge. I think this is like the ultimate kind of dad sneaker in a sense that it looks like that kind of shoe that you would see like an older man, like a dad wearing, that's going on like a hike or a run or something like that. And it's just like a typical old kind of running trainer and that's it. I would love to know what you guys think of these in the comments below. I'll show you what they look like on. yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.